Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont guys. What we will show you today, how to remove, or how to replace the airbox assembly. I'm talking about the whole airbox. Let me show you quick here guys. Okay, this airbox here, doesn't matter guys which engine you have. 4, 6 cylinder, okay, this airbox will be the same procedure on all of them. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, okay, we're going to have more than 200 videos guys on this car, more than 200 videos, so please subscribe to the channel, quite a few videos will be made. So let's go ahead and start on the process now. So we'll remove the airbox out first, okay, that will be the first procedure. What I'll do, okay, right here, okay, we're going to disconnect, okay, these holes. This one will be the first step. Okay, you can see just like that. Now, with 8mm guys, we're going to remove a few bolts. Okay, that clamp. Get that one loose. Okay, we're going to pull the lid up in a second. Okay, and remove the filter. Okay, like that. You can see this is the first step. Next guys, okay, definitely need to clean here a little bit. Next we're going to get a bag and cover our intake boot, so that way we don't drop anything inside of it or get dust. Okay, just like that. You can see now right here we need to remove that bolt on top. Okay, right here. This is one of them. Okay, perfect. Next right here, okay, down there, there is one more bolt. And this one is with 8, I think. Looks like it's an 8mm socket that we'll need to remove. You can see it's holding there. So let's get the extension quick so we can reach it. Okay, I'm trying to focus here. You can see that's where the bolt is located. Okay, it looks like it's loose now. Okay, nothing else holding. We need to remove that clip now here. Okay, with the clip removal too. Okay, you can see this thing is actually pretty tight. Okay, now let's see if it's going to come out. Okay, and lift the box out of the way, just like that. So that's how you guys remove the airbox. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.